Hey Dad,
What is it, Plankton?
can we go to Petco and get a dog?
No, we can't.
Why not?
Because 1, you're still grounded, and 2, dogs are too expensive.
Fine, I'll get one myself.
Welcome to Petco, how may I help you?
Can I get a dog?
Sure, but what gender?
Male.
There you go, have fun with your new dog.
I think I will name you Shredder. Wanna go outside and play? Okay Shredder, let's go outside. Man, I'm tired. Let's go inside. Let's watch Peppa Pig, since Dad isn't work.
I'm back. Plankton, is that a dog?
Yes.
Plankton, how do you get a dog while grounded? You are grounded forever. I am giving your dog to Phillips, Riaz and Hirashi.
Hi, Plankton. Stop.
Hi Phillips Arias. I have a dog for you that Plankton got while grounded.
Thanks. I will name him Arthur, because that's my favorite show.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Get your tiny little butt to bed now.